Welcome to the Minimasters, and today I got a big life update for you guys. I've been hoping to get around to this. It's a beautiful day, so here you go. So my wife and I are expecting baby number 2, so I will be a girl dad, two-time girl dad, I should say. So awesome there, but it presents an obvious logistical challenge considering, well, my single cab truck doesn't quite fit 4 people, and it's actually just not a safe place for a car seat anyway. So it kind of would crimp how we were transporting ourselves. So if you know where this is going, I had to get another truck. Yep, it is not an OBS, so you can throw some shade there, but I needed something with 4 doors, and it couldn't be a project. It had to be something I could just buy and go. And it also needed airbags, of course. So I had to have all that stuff. So I got this 2015 F150. So I guess we'll see what happens with this thing. I'm on the fence if I'll ever do videos about it, but if you guys say so, I will deliver. Otherwise, this channel will always be dedicated to the venerable OBS. So the second biggest thing with me getting another truck is that I can slowly work on the truck. If you've noticed, I will literally take this thing apart like a Friday night, have all Saturday, and I need it ready to drive for Monday so I can drive it to work, because I've been DDing this thing for going on 10 years now. So, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have felt the same way, and maybe at some point you got like a beater car or some other vehicle so that you could work on it. I can do that now. Main reason that's going to help me out now is stuff like painting parts. I'd have to rush. So like this rusted, windshield wiper here, that would be an obvious challenge because I can't have the usual paint cycle and cure cycle. Parts that I put on the truck, I couldn't paint in time to have them. So a lot of times I just had to install things. A lot of you guys have pointed out like, hey, why didn't you paint this thing or this thing before you put it on? And mostly it's because I just don't have the time to do that. Now I can take my time. And evidence of that is there will be a post in a couple YouTube shorts of me prepping some 4x4 parts for paint because I want to put those on there. I want them to look good. So anyway, guys, hope you're excited that this will help me propel the channel forward, having a little more time to work on my baby back here. And thanks for coming along for my life update. See ya.